All right, boys and girls, it's Mrs. McClure. Happy Monday. I hope that you're excited and ready for another week of virtual school. So, what we're going to do today is we are going to look at our question of the week and our theme of the week. We're also going to look at a poem and we're going to think about our question of the week and then we're going to write about it. So, first, let's take a look at what we have going on in the picture here. You have this inside of your My View book on pages 52 and 53 if you would like to look at it. But let's just look at this together. What do you notice in this picture? What is happening in the picture? I see a mom and a dad and two kids and lots of boxes. So just from looking at the picture, what can you assume or what can you say is probably happening? We have a family with boxes, and also in this picture, I see a ginormous truck with boxes in the back. So what do you think is happening here in the picture? That's right, they're probably moving. So this family is probably going to be moving somewhere, and this is called a moving truck. Okay, so it looks to me like this family is moving somewhere new. So we're going to look at a poem. A poem is a type of writing that has a rhythm and it has words that rhyme. It's a type of expression or a type of way to write. So our poem is called A New Place. So this is the title. And first part of the poem is on page 52, and then we're going to go to the other page. Okay, so let's listen to the poem. It says, I pack my toys and books. Look at all that space. I wonder what it will be like to live in a new place. So just like I mentioned, poems have words that rhyme. And if you remember from pre-K last year, if you went to pre-K, words that rhyme are words that have the same middle and the same ending sound. So just from listening to our poem, can you think of any words that might rhyme? Let's listen to it again. I pack my toys and books. Look at all that space. I wonder what it will be like to live in a new place. Do you hear two words that rhyme? That's right. If you said space and place, those two words rhyme. So let's look at the rest of our poem. We pull up on the street and look at what we see. Boys and girls are playing. Will they be friends with me? Yes. So what words do you hear that rhyme in our second part of our poem? We pull up on the street and look at what we see. Boys and girls are playing. Will they be friends with me? Yep, see and me, those two words are the words that rhyme. So let's look at our weekly question. Our weekly question is, what is exciting about moving to a new place? Have you ever moved to a new place before? If you have, how did you feel? Think about that for a minute. What would be exciting about moving to a new place? Well, from looking at these pictures and from reading our poem, it says we pull up on the street and look at what we see. Boys and girls are playing. Will they be friends with me? So this family, they moved, right? What do you think might be exciting for their new home where they live? Yeah, making new friends. Yeah? So it would be exciting to move to a new house or a new apartment or a new home because you're going to have new friends that you might meet and make with your neighbors, right? Okay. So what could we learn about moving to a new place? Yeah, we could learn about um, making new friends, um, all these different emotions that come with moving. But it's exciting. It can be exciting to live in a new house and to have new friends and new neighbors. Okay, awesome. So, what I want you to do is I want you to think, and we're going to write about it, but I want you to think about what is exciting about moving to a new place. And I want you to respond to our question of the week by writing about the question. So, answering the question. So, think about to you what you think would be exciting about moving to a new place, and then you are going to write about it.